Hi, my name is Tomas Ash. I am a business student in IADT. Today I will be talking to you about a lynda.com course which I have done. The course which I have done is Writing to be Heard on LinkedIn by a gentleman named Daniel Rote. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to get noticed on your LinkedIn profile. As a student, LinkedIn can be a great forum and also a great opportunity for your future employer to look into your professional life and past experiences which you may have. Writing to be heard gives you a better knowledge of how to present yourself to future employers. Writing what you know. This was an interesting part of the talk as it talks about how you should always back yourself when writing articles on LinkedIn. The reason for this is because you might have information and ideas on certain topics which your connections might be interested in and might not have learned before. Remembering your audience. In this section, it talks about how you really need to entice and attract your audience to want to read what you are posting on LinkedIn. You should try get a better knowledge of what subjects you know will interest your connections instead of playing it safe and writing articles which you think are seen as acceptable. It also talks about how you should not be afraid to join conversations with people in the same profession as you are in. Sharing your work. In this section, it talks about how you should be confident in sharing your work. Don't hesitate in sharing your ideas, and also don't be afraid to share and tag people in your article that are also in the same profession as you. It also talks about how you should never hesitate in looking for people's advice and feedback, as they may improve the work which you want to share. I found this talk really interesting as I really wouldn't be confident enough in sharing some of my ideas and work on LinkedIn. But after listening to this talk, I feel as if I would and should share work as I can generate feedback from people and learn from my mistakes after doing it, which will help me in future articles which I may post. Also, I learned from doing this lynda.com course that in terms of LinkedIn, when writing articles, you really should try find that niche and try really just concentrate your work on certain people that you know may be able to improve and help you get a better insight on the work that you are doing. Thank you for reading my short little video, and I hope you enjoyed it.